Hi, my name is Nana and welcome to my channel, Dialogue a Banana. So it's been more than a week since we started the lockdown here in Italy, and a lot of people are making focaccia or pizza at home, so I thought, hey, maybe I can show you guys how to make a beginner's focaccia recipe. So if you don't know it yet, focaccia is basically like a flat oven-baked Italian bread. The one that we're going to be making today is the Genovese kind, so it has also the distinctive, what's it called, finger impressions all over it. And they're basically crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, and that's basically what you want in a bread, right? And so yeah, this is a beginner's recipe because it's a simpler version of it. A lot of people, they actually let this rise for 24 hours, or they're using like different kinds of flour, but I think if you're a beginner like me, that's a little bit too complicated, so yeah. And that's it, let's get baking. So first of all, we're going to need flour. So like all-purpose flour, something that you can bake into a bread. And then some instant dry yeast. You can use also fresh yeast, but you have to change the quantity, I guess. And then some cornmeal if you have it. And then a little bit of salt to season everything. A little bit of sugar just to activate the yeast even more. And then we're going to bloom the yeast in some warm milk and also some warm water. So we're going to mix like the water and milk together. And then more water for the dough. The dough needs to be like humid. And then a lot of olive oil because this bread is very oily. And if you want, we can top it off with like some coarse salt. Also, we're going to need this to glaze everything. It's basically 1 part water and 1 part oil. pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It kind of feels weird to be speaking in English, but yeah, let me know what you think about that. And if you like the recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also to share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And for feedbacks or suggestions or requests, please just write it down on the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!